Assalamualaikum class, how are you? I hope you are doing well at home. It's your English class and today we are going to learn some letters. Letter X, letter J and letter Z. We will learn sound, how to write and vocabulary words of these letters. Starting with the letter X. This is letter X. Now come here and let's see how we trace letter X. We start it from here. First we draw a slant line to the right and then a slant line to the left. Again we draw a slant line to the right and then a slant line to the left. It looks like a cross. Now let's learn the vocabulary words of letter X.
X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray fish.
These are the vocabulary words of letter X. Come to the next letter, letter J. This is letter J. Now we will learn to trace letter J. We start from here and make a U. Make sure that this U should touch this lower line. Make a U and then come down in a straight line and make a loop. Again, first we make a U that should touch this line, this lower line, and then we come down in a straight line and make a loop. This is so easy, making a U and then come down and make a loop. Now let's learn the vocabulary words of letter J. Yja, yo-yo. Yja, yogurt. Yja, yawn. Yja, yak. Yja, yarn. These are the vocabulary words of letter J. Come to the next letter Z. This is letter Z. Now let's see how we trace it. We start from here. First we make a straight line to the right, a slant line to the left, and then again a straight line to the right. This should touch this lower line. Again a straight line to the right, then a slant line to the left coming down and touch this lower line, and then draw a straight line to the right that should be on this line like this. Now we will learn the vocabulary words of letter Z.
Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zip. Zero. Z is for zoom. Z is for zoo.
These are the vocabulary words of Z. Thank you.